What's good, my people? Your boy GizzyCredit here. Listen, I get a lot of text messages every day. People who want to start credit repair, people who want our $99 do-it-yourself credit repair system, our funding system, trade lines, business credit, everything. Anyways, got this customer out of Chicago who asked for our professional do-it-yourself credit repair system. Now, we used to sell a professional do-it-yourself credit repair system, but we no longer sell it. We sold about 115 systems for $2,000, and we stopped selling it about 11 months ago. Anyways, got this customer who you saw my recent video. Now, a lot of you are very smart. A lot of you listen to my videos. You don't only watch them and then you give me a call or you text me asking questions. So this customer talked to me about what happens in the credit repair business, or when you are actively looking for credit repair and you don't currently have anyone that can help you out. So now seeing that many people are in trouble with credit, not so much because they ruined it, but because of the lack of knowledge of how credit repair can actually work for you in many ways in your everyday life. And now it can make you look like a millionaire on paper, and how it can work for you to maintain your own business. Even myself, knowing all this, I too fell in this trap, letting go credit go haywire, and then going to someone and paying them good money up front to get back on track, only 5 months later to find out that they only cleaned up one credit bureau and the rest were still in despair. And he then told me he had done all he was supposed to do, and that I had to pay more money if I needed more work done to clean up the other two bureaus, even though that was not the agreement we had before I paid him and started working with him. So that is most of the reason why I am truly interested in getting back on the credit repair business, because there are truly good people out there that need help to get their credit back in good shape, and don't mind paying the cost of someone to help them understand and get better outlook on their credit without paying out of their nose, and then still not having any success with their credit being in better shape. Or only just clean up one bureau. And yes, you can get some credit cards with one cleaned up bureau, but who wants just one bureau cleaned up? Okay, so that's interesting to know, because a lot of people just want one bureau to be clean. I don't mind paying the cost of someone to better understand. Okay, yes, you can get some credit cards, but who wants one bureau? Okay, when you really need 3 to be really on top of your game, yes and no, but it's a process. To start making some stuff happen, I'm going to purchase the $99 credit repair system. Read through it shortly. I know you don't sell the professional system anymore through your company, but is there any outside company that could recommend? Well, there's a whole bunch of companies out there, but I truly wish I could have purchased your system a year ago, because I know from watching you so many years that you really care about truly helping people. Thanks so much. What's good, mi gente? GizzyCredit here. So you see that long ass text? A lot of people send me text messages like that all the time. I don't mind them. I read over them, and I answer people back. Of course, 973-440-8661 is the number. I've had that number since almost 10 years now, since 2008, 2009, when Google Voice came out. Anyways, let's touch on a couple of things. This person used to be a mortgage broker. Then he got out of the business when the crash happened, 2009, 2010. And now he wants to get back into the credit repair business. Of course, having good credit can set you up and make you look like a millionaire, like he said, or whatever. At the end of the day, showing that you have credit just shows that you've been able to have debt. at the end of the day, in this credit repair business, you're getting credit repair so that you can access new credit as an emergency, not so you to go out there and use it as a luxury, but use it in emergency ways so that you don't fall back on the trap. Just like he says, he was, bad, he went back, and now he finds himself in the same situation that many others find themselves, which is in debt. Now, I've been preaching people, get in debt, get into a house, get into a credit card, get into a new vehicle with your credit. But let me tell you something. When you have repeat customers, and by the way, I'm going to make a new video on repeat customers, because so many people who I helped out the last 3-4 years started credit repair again, and it's because of that. New vehicle they went bad on, new credit cards, they maxed them out. A lot of things happen in life. That's why your credit should only be used as emergency. Anyways, let's get back to this person and what he talked about. He talked about having, someone not educated financially, or find themselves not knowing what to do. That's why they fall into the trap of credit. There's a lot of programs, or there's a lot of people out there who teach financial literacy. I've been following Dave Ramsey, which I'll place a link to his channel right over here. It's all about being debt free, which is very good. But also, let's go into the commitment business that is credit repair. You can't just work on someone's credit for 5 months and say, hey, that's it, I can't do anything else. What type of individual are you who chooses to live life like that? You cannot be in this business thinking it's all about the money that you get in, because it's actually about helping people and taking a stand for that customer. Even though they don't see the light at the end of the tunnel, there is a light at the end of the tunnel. It's just a process to get there. All right, so let's talk about working on just one bureau and having that one bureau not be enough. You see, that's the whole thing about being financially educated in credit repair. With only one bureau being done, you can actually start your life again, especially if it's a bureau like Equifax or Experian or TransUnion. Let's just say Equifax. With Equifax, we already know lenders you can go to start getting new credit cards, to start getting a vehicle loan. So a lot of times people just need that in order for them to start reliving their life again. So definitely with one bureau, yes, at the end of the day, it's about getting all 3 bureaus done, but don't neglect that one bureau, because that one bureau can set your life up so you could get a better life. All right, so a lot of times people who want to get into the credit repair business, yes, we used to sell a professional do-it-yourself credit repair system for $2,000. I personally sold over 115 systems about more than a year and a half ago, because then the system stopped selling. And once I stopped selling the system like 11 months ago, that's when 5 people, oh, I want to purchase it. Then I was like, nope, it's not for sale anymore. Just like this person contacted me 11 months after the fact, and as he says that he's seen my video for years and he should have purchased that system a long time ago. Hey, you had the chance to get it, but now it's not available anymore. But it's totally fine, because now we still have the $99 do-it-yourself credit repair systems. That $99 credit repair system, I'll place a link right over here for it, has been sold over 4,000 times. So our systems sell every day, okay? The $99 credit repair system teaches you how to dispute, writing letters to all three bureaus, and it comes in 5 rounds of dispute cycle. We also have, I'll place a link right over here, of the credit card funding system, which teaches you how to get high limit credit cards. It shows you what banks run what bureau, what algorithm the banks look for, and what credit scores they look for in order to extend to you new credit. So aside from that, yes, even if you want to get into the business, there is a lot of ways in which you can start off helping out yourself by doing your own credit repair, and then doing things as a hobby, helping others as a hobby fix their credit. So don't think that that it's over for you. You know, there's a lot of ways. I don't know any other credit repair company that you know, does things the way that we do. Of course, you could search online for a bunch of other credit repair systems out there and see what works for you. With us, the people who purchased the professional system, they started with the $99 credit repair system, and eventually they said, oh, you got another system? Yep. But that's when they purchased that. Anyways, my people, this is all for educational purposes. Remember, this credit repair business is hard business. It's not all about taking money. It's about taking a stand for the customer and that credit report. A lot of times it gets annoying when people think that they pay, all right, for you to be a psychologist, a psychiatrist doing the credit repair process. We don't get paid to be a psychologist, okay? Whatever's happening in your life, whatever emotional attachment you have towards your credit, we don't want to hear none of that. You go to a psychologist for that. If you want us to work on your credit and have an expert working on your credit, definitely that is us. We get too many people who say they understand, then they don't understand the process of being patient. This business is all about being patient. One bureau may be done in 30 days or less, while the other may take 3 months, while the other may take 6 months, while the other may take 15 months, 12 months. Just remember that it's a process to position you to do what you want to do again with your credit. And even if you file for bankruptcy, and even if it takes me 2 years to remove it from your credit report, hey, it's better than having it there for 10 years, right? That's what I'm saying. Be patient. And remember, step by step. GizzyCredit here at 973-440-8661. Remember, we're also helping business owners with business funding. So definitely, if you have a business and you need business credit or you need some type of loan, we can definitely assist you with that. We still have trade lines. We still help people with their credit actively every day. At least someone starts with us. Anyways, my people, your boy GizzyCredit here. Enjoy your day. And listen, it's October 24th right now. No, it's September 24th. October, November, December. Where are you going to be in the next 3 months for the new year with your credit? Let me know. GizzyCredit. See you later.